Hey everyone, welcome back to Devices Setup channel, and today let's talk about EasyMesh, the easiest way to fix bad Wi-Fi at home. Using EasyMesh nodes from different brands, you can get your home covered with Wi-Fi everywhere. So think of your Wi-Fi like a single speaker in your living room. When you walk out to the garage or down to the basement, the sound fades away. That's exactly what happens to your Wi-Fi signal with regular router. It just can't reach everywhere. Whereas EasyMesh is like adding more speakers all around your home, and they are all playing the exact same song perfectly in sync. Instead of one weak signal, you get one big, powerful Wi-Fi network. The devices that makes this happen are called mesh nodes, and they connect together so that wherever you move, like living room, patio, upstairs, wherever, your phone automatically switches to the closest node. No lag, no dropouts, no reconnecting messages, just smooth Wi-Fi everywhere. For example, suppose you are watching Netflix in your living room and you take your snack outside to the backyard. On regular Wi-Fi, you get buffering, but on EasyMesh, Netflix keeps playing like nothing happened. And the coolest part, unlike most mesh systems, EasyMesh doesn't lock you into one brand. Here, you can mix and match TP-Link with Asus or Google Nest with Linksys, Cudy, Mercusys or Xiaomi routers or Wi-Fi extenders. So, as long as these devices says EasyMesh supported, they will all work together as a mesh network. This means your setup is future-proof. Start with one router today, and later, if you find dead zones, just add another EasyMesh router or extender. No need to buy a full expensive mesh system all at once. And it's also great if you're not sure how many nodes your home needs. You can test first and expand later. Also, EasyMesh is perfect for bigger homes, homes with Wi-Fi dead spots, smart homes with tons of devices, and gamers and online streamers who need zero lag. So yes, EasyMesh gives you whole home Wi-Fi that works everywhere. If you want to learn more, I've got videos on the channel explaining EasyMesh versus one mesh and how to get fastest setup using wired backhaul and whether Wi-Fi extenders are still worth buying in 2026. Check the links given in the description. And lastly, if this video helped you out, hit like and subscribe and follow for more easy tech tips. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a blessed day.